Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we are back on the road construction project update for you. It is March 16th, 2025. So here we go. We are trying to make it over to the main road there. And we are going to see if there's anything going on. I heard tell this past week of seeing a couple of workers here or there, but let's see what we have going on this morning. So this normally will be the access road here. And then the main road will go in the middle. So let's see what we got going on. This is the little road we have to go on until we can get over there. Because of the way they've done the gutter, we can't just get over. We can go the back way, like back and through there and come out. But this way is a little bit quicker. So it is a Sunday morning. Everybody's getting ready for church or whatever they're doing today. This is where people pick the public transportation up. So my husband is driving. Nana is here, ready for church. And our son is here. You've seen him, champion of foosball. You've seen him there. So if you come and book our transportation, you'll get to know him very well, and you'll be very grateful. You won't spoil your vacation like some do when they try to cheap out and go the local transportation or figure it out on their own. And then they don't know where to go. They don't know places if they want to do something. So definitely in good hands here. So here we are. This is where they're keeping some of their supplies. Definitely not seeing anybody working so far. Another place where they pick the public transportation. So you see, the work isn't really going on. They're over there setting up their little station to sell, little market. Okay, the water truck is out though, so we thank God for that. Keep the dust down a bit. It rained very, very hard the other day, so we'll see how it is. I think the road was really rough going to Nsawam. I'm sure after that heavy rain. ECG still has to get on the ball and get their lines moved. So I don't know. I guess they have to get paid by the government as well, I'm guessing. Because they're not going to do it for free on their dime or on their Peswa. So up here is the red, black, and yellow house for our landmark. Another place to pick the public transportation. They really need to get busy with the road though, because the traffic in Amasaman is horrible usually. That's the complaint I hear all the time, is the traffic is horrible. So we're coming up. If you want to go to the China Mall, you'll go to the right. So that is how you'll get to the China Mall. Now we're back on the main road. This is where the main road will be. So if you're just going straight through, you won't have to deal with the public transportation and all of those things that can slow you down. And you see, if you see the light pole coming up, so people will still fit through there. People will still cross the road right there. We've seen it. So to me, things are still looking the same for the most part. There's the China Mall. For those of you who are not familiar, China Mall is exactly what it says. It's products from China. You could compare the quality to your Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, those types of products. So if you want something cheap and not high quality, that would be your place. They have a lot of stuff. They have a little bit of food, just like your Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. That's why you need a truck, guys. So we are coming up on Amasaman interchange, the proposed Amasaman interchange. So there again, this is where some workers were spotted at the top, I believe, but I'm not seeing that right now. Not seeing it. I don't know, guys. I heard something about the budget. I heard something about court. I heard different things. As you can tell where that road is going, there's a bunch of buildings in the way. But if you built, it doesn't matter how long ago you built. If you built on a proposed road, I mean, that's on you. Really, if you didn't know about it, you know, sometimes things like that happen. And the road was proposed, but just because they didn't do it quick enough, you know, and you built and you've stayed there a long time, I think you still don't have the right to the land. So we have a few workers down there. The Lord willing, on the way back, we'll check out the other side, but I think it is looking like we're not really doing much and not really doing anything extra. We saw one water truck, right? And we see the those helping people cross the road, but so far that's it. We're here, Amasaman Police Station, Garborough Bank, for our landmarks. And this is the place that there's a lot of traffic normally. So you have the market here, you have the public transport picking up, dropping off. So it's pretty much a mess here. He's not looking as he's driving. Typical. Chochos are interested in getting their riders, which they have to make money, but gotta pay attention too. It can't be an easy job. So that's what the market is, guys. I don't normally put the camera too much over there because so they're directing the traffic, because some people really get offended when you video them. They don't really like it at all. So the only thing different I see, and I saw last time, was they removed the scaffolding from this pillar that they constructed. Yeah. So you see the pillar there. That's what it'll look like after they cast the concrete, but I don't know, guys. Like I always say, I'm still happy for what they have done, but
and they closed that side and opened this side and nothing is yet done.
right. Yeah, I mean, I'm thankful for the pavement that we're riding on. I'm thankful for, you know, the street lights I don't use. We don't come out really at night. We're normally don't, so I don't even know if these are working yet. But I'm thankful for what we got so far, but you know, let's not stop short. I don't know, maybe my husband needs to say something about them needing to get back out here, because the last couple of times he said something on the video, then stuff has been done. So I don't know, guys. The budget has been passed now. Last week the budget was passed. I don't know all the details of it, but I'm talking about the overall budget. You know, some were saying that they were waiting for that, the funds to be released, waiting for court. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I would think something would be going on. Seeing maybe a couple of people throughout this past week, that's not really sufficient. But we'll wait and see. We got no choice, right? Definitely will be a game changer. I think, yeah, most of the plots, even that are near our house, most of them are sold. I think there's like 3 plots available left. 1 needs some work on it, and 2 plots are being sold together as one piece of property. But that's it, guys, right there where we are. And what I want to say is that as this project goes on more, everybody's property value is going to go up, and your ease of access to get into Accra here is going to be significantly improved. So those of you who bought when you bought, you did well. You did well to get in. Now the 2 plots are a bit pricey, but worth it, because they're gonna go up a lot more soon. There's the St. Moses Community Hospital.
It's like station.
our son is getting dropped here. And we are back on our way. So he came this morning, and he's got stuff to do, so he's on his way and we're on our way. This is the Pokwasi interchange we're coming up on. So you guys can see, though, it's still, we are in Accra, on the outskirts in the Ga West district of Accra. Really glad about the location that we're in. Really, really happy. The Lord has done an amazing job and finding the right location for us in proximity to where my husband needs to go to the farm, and then also able to get in to Achimota area and getting to where our church home is, which is in Abakan. They call it Abakan. We would call it Abeka. It's Abeka, like the homeschool books. The Abakan, that's where we serve the Lord at church. And yeah, so it's not that bad. It's a little drive, but it's not horrible. And the mall is closed. Other things that we need to do are closed, not too super far. Banks and what else? Insurance and all that kind of stuff that you would want. Everything is close enough. Those things you might not frequent, you might not go there all the time, but the times you do need to go, you'd be glad that you were a bit close. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm guessing nothing over there has changed on that side, because honestly, if they're waiting on the court or whatever for the Amasaman interchange, there's still a lot they could do. There's a lot of work to do that's not right there at the interchange. They could be working on these things here. They could be working on the part going the other way towards Nsawam. They have a lot that they could be doing that doesn't involve that interchange. So I don't really think that is the issue. Personally, that's just my personal observation there. If that interchange was the problem and the house is there and it's in court, then what about all of this? All of this could be worked on. That's just my little 2 cents. As usual, I'm going to ask you guys, what have you heard about it? Have you heard anything? Have you heard anything about the budget? I heard them, my husband was watching the news on TV, and I heard some stuff about the budget, but I never heard about this specific project. So have you guys heard anything? If you had, leave it in the comments, please. Let's all share information together. Like I always say, mine is to get you guys the video, the real footage of what's going on. And for those of you who aren't interested but just like riding along, thank you. We really appreciate you riding with us. So I think we're gonna let you go here, and the Lord willing, on the way home we'll get you another video and you can see the update or not, and you can ride with us. So until next time, God bless you.